What's up, people? My name is Tiawanda Chimangari, so T1 from the Zimbabwe Fitness. So today, I'm going to show you how you work on your latissimus dorsi or lats. So I like to work both the lower and the upper and the middle lats on a one-day exercise. So today I'm starting the lower lats. I'm gonna do I start with the barbell rows. I'm gonna do with the first part, the palms facing forward or front view. That's where you work on your lower lats. When the face towards you, you work on the up as well in the middle. So I normally start with a light weight. This is like 45 pounds each plate. So I'm gonna do high reps because it's like a warm up. I do 2 sets of warm-up, high reps, 15 or more, and then I increase the weight. I work between 8 to 12 reps. That's what I do. I go for 4 exercises, which means altogether is 6. 2 warm-up and 4 of working out where I load up the weight. So let's go. So when you get the weight, you get it like how you get a weight when you do the deadlift. So I like to get it up, and then chest up, then get down, and then squeeze the lats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's how you do it. Just do 3 to 4 sets. I like to do 6 because this is, I call it a warm-up for myself. I like to warm up first before I start an exercise. So I'll add the weight. The increasing of the weight is up to you. You know your strength. But if you're a beginner, stay with something you can do, something you can control. Don't injure yourself. Find lightweight, work yourself up. No shortcut. So that's how you do the lower lats with a barbell row. So I'm gonna do again the second set for warm up, then I'll increase the weight. So here we go. If you like to learn more about fitness, follow my Instagram page at the Zimbabwe Fitness, or my YouTube channel at the Zimbabwe Fitness as well. You find video which gonna help you to increase strength, to gain muscle, even the nutrition video that I'm out. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.